Hi friends, welcome to Ansul. So today it is the 83rd episode in the geography series. So today in geography we're going to discuss about another country of the world, and we're going back to another African country, and that is Congo. But you may ask, we already discussed about the Congo, right? So that was the bigger Democratic Republic of Congo. Now we're going to discuss about the smaller Republic of Congo. Yes, also known as Congo Brazzaville. Yes. So let's start by randomly, you know what happens. We just draw the borders of the nation. Yes. So how it looks. So this is Congo. It pretty much looks like a reverse L, kind of. Okay. So now let's see the bordering nations for the country known as Congo. Yes. So to the northwest there is Gabon. There's one small gap here for Equatorial Guinea, which Congo does not touch at all. And to the north there is Cameroon, and the one and only nation known as CAR, the Central African Republic. Zoom. And then to the east and southeast there is the one and only DRC, the brother of Congo. Yes. And then to the southwest there is a small part of Angola known as Cabinda, which we already discussed when we discussed about Angola. Yes. So these are the bordering nations for the one and only Congo. That means Republic of Congo, not DRC or C. So finally to the west side there is of course the one and only Atlantic Ocean. Yes. The AO. Okay. So the capital of the country is the city of Brazzaville. Yes. So which also kind of borders the DRC's capital, Kinshasa. Yes. Both of them touch each other. The only difference between each other from being the same city is one river known as the Congo River, from which both countries get their name from. The Congo River just goes on the border here. Yes. The main defining border between both nations is the Congo River, which also splits one city into two capital cities of two different nations. Yes. So sometimes these nations are also divided, that means set by their capital cities. Like this is our normal Republic of Congo is sometimes known as Congo Brazzaville. Meanwhile the DRC is also known as, guess it, Congo Kinshasa, named after its capital. It's just a nickname, not its official name. Yes. So now let's go on to see some brief history, some very oversimplified history. So in 1960, it got its full independence from the one and only France, which, yeah, okay. So after that, it was normal until 1969. 9 years later, it became a communist nation. Until finally 1992, it was democratized. It was turned into a democratic nation back again. Yes, it was also one-party nation then. That means it doesn't have elections, anything like that. Yes. So then in 1993 to 1994, there was the one and only civil war, which pretty much didn't change anything because it was ended with a peace treaty, with no side winning. Exactly. Yes. And last and finally, another civil war in 1997 to 1999. Yes. So and then, the history just continues, just like to the present day. Yes. So the land area of the country is about 342,000 square kilometers. Exactly 342,000 square kilometers. No other hundreds, just 1,000. All other zeros. Yes. So then next the population. So the land area makes it, guess it, the 64th largest country in the whole world. Next, the population is 5.6 million people, which makes it the 114th most populous nation in the whole entire big world. Yes. So the main economy of the country comes from, guess it, from like villages. That means handmade utensils, all of those pottery, some stuff like that. Yes. And also, like most African countries, it also has some economy coming from tourists. Great. Yes. It also has some economy also coming from petroleum. Great. Yes. So next, let's see the geography of the nation known as the Republic of Congo. Let's use the green marker for this. Okay. So in the north there are some flooded forests known as the Nyana flooded forests. These forests are also all the way here. Yes, in both of the Congos. Yes, so these flooded forests are pretty big. And so in the north there's a bit more savanna here, the small patch. And the south also the remaining is all just savanna. Yes, there's also some hilly regions around here, but that's the most hilly regions there. Yes. So this is the main geography of the nation. Yes. So now let's see the flag of the nation. Okay. So of course, like pretty much every country in the world has square flag. Yes. So it doesn't have actual black lines here, but yeah. So it has three main colors. One red, then there is green, and then here there is a bit more yellow. Yes, green, yellow, red. So this color combination comes from the Pan-African colors. Yes, which are three colors which came from the Ethiopian tricolor. Yes, so because Ethiopia was independent without being colonized except for a small while by the Italians, so this made, so all other countries were starting to get like, they're getting inspired by the nation known as, guess it, Ethiopia itself, because it was there for a long time without being colonized. Yes, even if the Italians came, they just occupied it for a while and then just let it go without anything happening to them. Yes, so due to this, every other country, of course, adopted the same three colors. Yes, and then, of course, pretty much many other African countries also have these three tricolors. Ghana, Cameroon, all of these, even if they have another color, they of course have the tricolor. Yes. So yeah, this for today about the Republic of Congo, not to be confused with the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Bye.